Now, when you look at this equation, it's actually a very, very simple equation. Now, how can we solve this equation? This equation actually have three solutions, okay? One of the solution is glaring, very, very obvious, because x to the power, since the power are the same, x squared minus 16, x squared minus 16, it means that these two bases must also be the same, because we can't have 3 to the power of 2 to be equal to 5 to the power of 2. If they have the same power, they must have the same base. So therefore, one of the glaring solutions is x equals what? 7. That's solution 1. That's the first solution. What about the other two solutions? Now, we're going to use law of indices for powers raised for numbers that have a power of 0. Don't forget that any number raised to the power of 0, any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 gives us what? 1. So that means x to the power of 0 will give us the same result as 7 to the power of what? 0. That means we can equate this power to 0. That is x squared minus 16 equals what? 0. So we can solve for x from here. Now we have x squared will be equals to what? 16. So when we take the square root, we're going to have x equals square root plus or minus what? 16. Okay, so that means x is equals to plus or minus what? 4. Okay, so that means the other two solutions are x equals 4 or x equals negative what? 4. So these are the three solutions to this word equation. Now please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have learned something new here. Till next time, bye bye.